Many people from all over the world love nasi goreng. Serving it with tempe goreng, so yummy! I find so many nasi goreng recipes, even from outside of Indonesia. But I'm sure this nasi goreng recipe from my mother is one of the authentic one. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the garlic until they have fried. Then add the shallots. Fry until they emit a fragrant aroma. Oh yeah, the use of dried chilies and cayenne pepper is adjusted to your taste. I added the carrot first before adding the rice because the texture of the carrot is a bit hard. The scrambled eggs add flavor and savory taste to fried rice. After all the spices and egg are mixed well, now add the rice. I add spring onion to get more delicious taste of nasi goreng. Don't forget to add salt, seasoning flavor, and if you like, you can add powdered pepper to your nasi goreng. In my family, we usually eat fried rice with fried tempe. Now I want to make a simple marinade for fried tempe. Oops, there's almost too much water, but that's okay. This is tempe. I will cut it into pieces. Now, put all cutting tempe into the marinade spices. After 10 minutes of marinating, the tempe is ready to be fried. This nasi goreng recipe is simple, but the taste is so delicious. You can try at home.